From the moment I unboxed the Retekess TR604, I knew I was handling a device intentionally designed for simplicity, reliability, and everyday practicality. Even before powering it on, the radio gave off a classic, confident feel, sturdy in the hand, with big analog dials that immediately reminded me why traditional radios still have a place in a world full of digital gadgets. Opening the package was refreshingly straightforward. Inside, I found the Retekess TR604 radio itself, a power cable, a clear, easy-to-read user manual. The unit arrived well protected and neatly organized. The radio has a reassuring weight, not too heavy to carry around, but solid enough that it doesn't feel cheap or fragile. The large handle folds smoothly and feels dependable for everyday portability. As soon as I picked it up, I noticed how thoughtfully designed it is for older users or anyone who appreciates analog simplicity. The large tuning dial, bold analog frequency display, and oversized volume knob make it extremely easy to operate without squinting or fumbling. The buttons and knobs have just the right amount of resistance, giving a sense of durability. The overall construction feels well assembled, with no loose panels or cheap creaking. The 3.5-inch built-in speaker immediately stood out, hinting that Retekess TR604 could produce more sound than its modest size suggests.